Can holding in a sneeze actually kill you? Holding in a sneeze might sound harmless, but it can be dangerous. The pressure can cause injuries, from ruptured eardrums to a tear in your throat. In very rare cases, it could lead to a brain aneurysm. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out safely. Zoom in on someone clenching their face to hold in a sneeze. Slow motion animation of inner ear brain showing pressure. Text overlay. Let it out. Pop-up warning. Don't suppress forceful sneezes. Follow for more surprising health facts.